Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the divisibility rule of 2, which basically means that we will understand when a number is divisible by 2. So over here, the rule is that if the last digit of the number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that is, if the last digit is an even number and it is 0, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, if we take, say, 3942, since the last digit over here is 2, which is an even number, and it comes a table of 2, hence it is divisible by 2. Again, if we say 463944, now it's over here also the last digit is 4, hence this is also divisible by 2. 838. Here the last digit is 8, hence this is also divisible by 2. Now if we take 39405, over here the last digit is 5, hence it will not be divisible by 2. Thus we can say that a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. I hope that the divisibility rule of 2 is clear through this video. In the next video, we will learn about divisibility rule of 3. Thank you.